Toyota announced that it would be releasing its first ever Crown Signia SUV. After 70 years of continuous innovation, Toyota is expanding its Crown lineup with a new SUV for the 2025 model year. Known as Signia, the Crown SUV will be positioned alongside the Crown sedan in showrooms, giving buyers another more spacious option for an upscale Toyota. The SUV is a welcome addition to the Crown model lineup and is a nod to the brand's future vision and dedication to elevating its model's designs. This sophisticated 2025 Toyota Crown Signia crossover SUV is unlike anything Toyota has done before. Drivers will enjoy premium quality features, a lush interior, and unparalleled performance, elevating the driving experience. The Crown Signia is based on the same vehicle architecture as the Crown and also borrows some of its styling cues from its sedan counterpart. Up front, the Crown Signia sports a hammerhead fascia somewhat reminiscent of the Crown's, albeit with a few tweaks to the headlights and color-matched grille assembly. You'll find fewer similarities behind the B-pillars, where the Crown Signia swaps the Crown's sloping roofline for a more traditional SUV shape. The Crown Signia doesn't look like a lumbering SUV in profile, however, thanks to an elevated beltline and compact greenhouse that provide more of a sport wagon look. At the rear, the Crown Signia's power tailgate incorporates a wraparound taillight that bears a familial resemblance to the unit found on the Crown's trunk. Wheel size and style depends on which Crown Signia trim you select. XLE models get black accented 19-inch alloy wheels, while top-spec limited models roll on 21-inch wheels finished in dark gray metallic. The Crown Signia comes with an all-wheel drive hybrid powertrain. It uses a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine and 3 electric motors. This produces a total of 243 horsepower, and a continuously variable automatic transmission is standard. We haven't yet driven or tested a Crown Signia, so we don't know what its acceleration performance will be like, but we expect it to perform similarly to the Crown sedan's base 236 horsepower AWD hybrid setup. That model got to 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds in our testing. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with nice materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, but the limited upgrades to leather seats. The 2-row seating setup offers space for 5 passengers, and there's a generously sized cargo area that expands when you fold the rear seats. A panoramic sunroof is optional and makes for an airier feel, and both tan and black interior color options are available. A 12.3-inch touchscreen is standard across the board, as is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The central touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus many other connectivity features including Wi-Fi, over-the-air updates, and a voice assistant. The XLE trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but upgrading to the limited swaps in an 11-speaker stereo tuned by JBL. The price of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is expected to start around $45,000 and go up to $52,000 depending on the trim and options.